rigatoni with sausage. My name's Chef Steph. I live Long Island, New York. Today I'm going to be whipping up one of my favorite dishes. And it's rigatoni with sausage. Two sweet, one hot. The hot one's in the middle. You can probably tell because that one's redder. Some yummy hot pie spinach. Yummy. And some mushrooms. And every chef has that on tomatoes, of course. And also garlic. Now we're gonna get my olive oil to put in my garlic and wait for it to get brown and sizzle. And we're gonna saute so it gets brown quick. Delicious hot and sweet sausage. My favorite. I'll eat it all, of course. Now just put the garlic powder, and now a pinch of salt. Spinach, bottom from on top, bottom from on top. Now we're gonna get on some nice butter, my favorite, and some chicken broth. I'll never get little rigatonis, so now I'm gonna stir it with a spoon. Now, when my rigatoni is ready, we're gonna put all this stuff, grated cheese and my garlic tomatoes. Of course, I like it all dente. This in here. Thank you. Beautiful. Then I'm gonna put some grated cheese. I love grated cheese. It's totally my fave. Time to dig in. Yummy and my tummy. Can't go wrong without some cheese. Girls and boys, let's eat this. Let's taste a sausage. Mmm.